Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Hammerhead Karoo 2. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds. Once it boots up, you'll be prompted to select your preferred language from a list of options. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for downloading any essential software updates. Finally, log in using your existing Hammerhead account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Now, let's set up your rider profile. You can create a new one or select an existing profile, inputting details like your weight and height for accurate ride metrics. Next, it's time to pair your sensors. The Karoo 2 supports both ANT+ and Bluetooth devices. Make sure your heart rate monitor, power meter, or speed sensor is awake and within a few inches of the device for successful pairing. You can then customize your data fields. Managing your routes and maps is straightforward. Begin by downloading offline maps for the regions you frequently ride. This ensures seamless navigation even without a cellular connection. You can then sync your pre-planned routes from popular platforms such as Strava or Komoot directly to your Karoo 2. Alternatively, create custom routes on the device itself or through the Hammerhead dashboard. Don't forget to adjust map layers and display preferences for your ideal view. Finally, let's fine-tune your device for the best riding experience. Adjust the display brightness and backlight duration to suit various lighting conditions. Configure sound alerts and notifications, especially for turn-by-turn directions, so you never miss a turn. Create distinct ride profiles for different cycling disciplines, such as road biking or mountain biking, each with unique data fields. Explore advanced settings to optimize GPS accuracy and battery life for those longer adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.